Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, today's video is going to be Airdrop Challenge Week 8. So in this video we'll be covering a couple of new things. In layer 0 we'll be covering 2 new chains. We'll be activating 1 new bridge and total 6 bridge transactions on layer 0 we'll be doing. After that we'll be staking on Stargate Finance. We'll do one swap on MetaMask and one bridge on Bungee Exchange. So Bungee Exchange just doesn't have any token, so that also could give us potential eligibility in the airdrop. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like target is 500 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So let's start with the wallet update. So if you see the wallet update, we got around $455 before starting the video, and now you can see we are having good stakes in ZK Singera, and we will be focusing majorly on layer 0 today. So now let's start with the selling of our meme tokens. So we have some meme tokens available in Abracadabra. We have already used it for 4 to 5 bridges already. So we will sell that and convert it to USDT right now because the fluctuation is high on the meme price. So let's go to Abracadabra Beam, select the origin chain as Optimism. So we have moved our tokens to Optimism. So destination chain as Binance Smart Chain, because in Binance Smart Chain we'll get higher and better price for meme tokens. So just select maximum, click on Beam, confirm the MetaMask transaction. Once that is done, our tokens are successfully bridged from Optimism to Binance Smart Chain. So it uses layer 0, so we are successfully used the layer 0 for today. So now let's go to MetaMask portfolio tab, click on swap on the left side and change the network to Binance Smart Chain. So now switch the network in MetaMask and now select the tokens as MIM and swap it to USDT. So now click on maximum. So you can see I have 97.96 MIM tokens. So just click on get code. Now after the swap we'll be receiving 96.08 USDT, and in this you can see almost $0.75 is going to the net MetaMask fee, so which is charged by MetaMask around 1% of the trade transaction volume. So that is, maybe that also give us a leg in MetaMask airdrop. So now just click on approve, complete the MetaMask transaction and then click on swap. So after that our tokens, meme tokens, are successfully converted to USDT. So now let's go to the Stargate Finance, click on transfer. Now let's transfer all our USDT to Polygon chain. So let's bring all our USDT from all the chains to Polygon chains. We have to do some tasks today. Just select destination chain as Polygon, select USDT, click on maximum. So we got around 96 tokens maximum, click on transfer, complete the MetaMask pop-up. So we have to approve first and then swap. So after that you can see we have successfully completed the swap. So let's do second token also, which we have some tokens on Arbitrum chain. So just select Arbitrum, again Matic, select all the tokens and bridge it to Polygon chain. So just click on transfer, switch the chain, approve the tokens, then complete the bridge. So now we have successfully used 3 bridge transactions today on layer 0 network. So now in 5 to 10 minutes we will get all our USDT accumulated into onto Polygon chain. So now we are going to activate 2 new chains today, as I mentioned in the intro. So first chain will be Nomis chain and second chain will be Celo chain. So to load the gas fees for this chain, we will be using Bungee Exchange today. Even Bungee Exchange is not having any token right now, so we'll use the Bungee Exchange refuel option, in which we can load gas fees on multiple chains. So on the transfer from, I am selecting Arbitrum because we have sufficient amount of Arbitrum Ethereum. On the destination, on the transfer tab, we will be selecting Nomis chain. Now bridge small amount, it's 0.0002 Ethereum worth of tokens, which is worth around $0.38, which will be sufficient for doing 1 or 2 bridge transactions. Just click on refuel, complete the MetaMask transaction. You can see total cost including the gas fees sent on the Nomis is around $0.46. So click on confirm and you can see transaction initiated. After 5 to 10 minutes we will be receiving those tokens on the Nomis chain. So now we have successfully bridged it. So now let's load the second tokens, gas tokens for today, which is Celo token. For that we'll be going to Binance. We need to buy $1 worth of Celo tokens, but if you use the trade and spot option, you will not be able to buy for $1 or $2. You need to spend at least $5 to $10. So that's why we will be using Binance convert option. So just click on Binance convert. Here you have the option to convert just like a DEX. So just select USDT. On the destination chain, select Celo and enter 1 USDT. Minimum is 1, that's why we are using 1 USDT. So just click on preview, convert, complete the MetaMask transaction, and once that is done, you can see we have successfully swapped Celo tokens. Now go to withdraw tab, copy your airdrop grinding wallet address, under the withdrawals address, you just paste your airdrop address and load this particular fund. So now just select maximum, select the chain as hello, almost negligible worth of fees, click on withdraw, complete the authentication, and within few seconds you will be receiving Celo tokens onto your wallet. So now you can see after 5 minutes I got assets on Celo network for gas fees and even on Nomis chain. So now let's go to the new bridge we are going to talk about today. This is going to be Angle Bridge. So Angle Bridge is built on layer 0 technology, and here we'll be using AU Euro to do the bridge transaction. So now just connect the wallet first. So just click on connect to MetaMask. On the left side you have the network, under that you select Polygon chain, switch the network in MetaMask, and now on the right side you can see the buy tab where we'll be buying some AU tokens by spending USDT. So on the net token select USDT, and we have around 222 USDT accumulated on this Polygon chain. We are selecting Polygon chain because the gas fees for all these transactions are very minimal. So now enter 50% of this, which is around 110 USDT, and that will be converted to AU Euro. Just click on approve, use default, or click on next and approve the transaction. You can see Polygon doesn't have much fees. Then now you have swap options. Just click on swap and complete, and we have successfully converted our tokens to AU Euro, around 98 tokens. Now on the left side you can see the bridge tab. You just click on bridge tab. Here now we can bridge this AU Euro from Polygon to multiple chains. So we'll be selecting destination chain as Nomis chain and enter maximum amount. Click on approve, complete the MetaMask transaction. Once that is done, now we'll be able to bridge it. So click on bridge, and you can see bridge cost me around $0.08, so very less. So once that is done, within few seconds transaction is initiated. It is using layer 0. You can click on the layer 0 transaction and you can see your transaction is happening on layer 0 scan. So it may take 10 to 20 minutes. Polygon to Nomis takes a lot of time. After 5-10 minutes you can see transaction is successful. So now we will bridge that tokens to a different chain. So now on the source chain you select Nomis chain. Now immediately you will get a MetaMask pop-up to add Nomis chain into a wallet. Just click on approve, switch network, and on the destination chain just select Celo network. So Celo mainnet. So just select that, and now click on maximum, approve the transaction. Now we got the tokens for spending the gas fees, very less gas fees on Nomis chain. You can see almost 0. Just click on approve, and once that is done, click on bridge, complete the bridge transaction, and we have successfully completed new transaction. Both the chains are activated on Polygon chain, both Nomis and Celo. Now you can see destination transaction is happening on layer 0, and after 10 minutes you can see that is completed. So now you can just switch this, but you can use this button and click on switch. So now you will get automatic pop-up of Celo mainnet. Just approve and switch the network to Celo network on MetaMask, and you can see your Celo tokens. And we will be bridging this particular tokens AU Euro from Celo network to Polygon chain next week. So we'll not be doing this week, we'll keep it for the next week, so that we will be doing next week also some transactions. So that's all. Now we'll go to DeFi Kingdom. Just click on connect the wallet and change the network to DFK, and then we will do one bridge transaction here as well. So just click on left side inventory, under the gold click on bridge. Around 2 tokens I'll be bridging, approve that and complete the transaction. Once that is done, we have done. So now we have done 6 bridge transaction on layer 0. We have used Angle Bridge. We have done 2 new chains activations. Now we have left with some USDT on Polygon chain. So we will go to Target Finance and add them in the farming. So just click on pool, select under available USDT on Polygon chain, enter max, add, switch the network, approve the transaction. Once that is done, you can click on go to farm and stake those tokens and approve the transaction. So now we have successfully added the liquidity also. So now that's all about today's video, guys. So now major thing we have completed. So other things coming to the ZK Sync era. So we are not going to do any transaction in ZK Sync era today, because we have made our positions already clear. So on the XBank we have already added liquidity and we are earning XBank tokens. Around 23 tokens are earned. And in Maverick also we have added the liquidity, so that is also under farming. We will not disturb that, but we will be doing couple of transactions this week. This week is week 8. I'll be trying to post week 8 part 2, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, in which we will do couple of transactions on ZK Sync era also. But before that, there are a couple of updates on ZK Sync era. We can check that out. So this is this you can see Nomis protocol. They are building a reputation protocol which will identify or which can be used to filter Sybils or airdrop hunters from different protocols. So this particular announcement of Nomis about the reputation score is official retweeted by ZK Sync Era. So you can see this is retweeted by ZK Sync Era official Twitter handle with 1.1 million followers, which means ZK Sync Era is also indirectly supporting these guys. Now, what is this Nomis protocol? So Nomis protocol basically based on your wallet history, it will give you some score, and as per current standard, few projects are already using. Galaxy is using this particular Nomis score, and as per Galaxy, you should have at least 40 above score to be not considered as a civil or maybe airdrop grinder. So which means if you have score above 40, you are good and you will be getting any potential airdrop in future. So now let's check our score. Let's connect our Airdrop wallet onto Nomis protocol. I just connected, click on captcha, and you can see on the left side our score is 40.85, which is already a good news. So which means guys, whatever we are doing in last 6 to 7 weeks, we are going in a right path. So we are already eligible for the for example, if there is any rewards as per the Galaxy threshold, it is 40 above, and maybe other product might use even less, like 20, 30 also. But whatever it is, we are breaching the threshold already, and we are in 7th week. After this 8th week's transaction also, our points will be going up. So which means whatever we have done these many days in airdrop grinding, we are going in a right path, and we may not be filtered in Sibyl or any airdrop hunter filter. So now you can see the wallet history also here, total volume generated, total number of transactions, total active days, total active months, total transaction in months. So multiple things can be tracked here, and if you want, you can mint this score. I don't recommend to using this wallet, so I minted it in my primary wallet, but in this airdrop grinding wallet we have a limited fund, so that's why I'm not going to spend $10 on this particular one. So in case if you want to mint, link will be in the description below. So now that is the first update. So moving on to the second update. So second update is also from ZK Sync Era. They have announced a NFT for the random users. So whoever eligibility criteria was very simple. Any wallet holding at least one NFT on ZK Sync Era was eligible for this raffle, and they have selected randomly 10,000 users, and they have dropped this Libertas NFT to random 10,000 users. So in case if you followed my video in I think week 4 or 3, I mentioned about Mint Square, and we minted one NFT in our wallet. So to check whether you got this NFT or not, you can go to Elements. This link will be in the description below. Just click on Wallets tab, connect the MetaMask. Under the wallet, you can click on My NFT, sign transaction, and you can see. So you can see we have minted one NFT on Mint Square that is available, but we didn't get the airdrop from this particular ZK Sync Era official NFT. So maybe in future we might get additional rewards also, but anyhow, in case if you're lucky, if you're one of those 10,000 users, you would have received one NFT, and that can be sold for around $200 to $300. In case if you're lucky, you are already making profit and you already leveled up your airdrop wallet portfolio. So now let's wind up with a wallet update again. So let's refresh the page, and now you can see we have almost $452 left, which means we have spent around $4 in this video, and the wallet looks something like this, and we already got Xbank liquidity. We'll try to do some transaction in tomorrow's video. Under transactions, you can see we have done around 15 to 16 transaction, 6 layer 0 transaction, 1 MetaMask transaction, 1 Bungee transaction. So that's all guys, that's about today's video about week 8 of airdrop grinding challenge. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.